I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade croissants. First, combine 500 grams of all-purpose flour with 300 milliliters of cold water, 10 grams of fresh yeast, 60 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead for about 2 minutes. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Prepare your butter block by shaping 250 grams of cold butter into a 16 by 16 centimeter square between parchment paper. Now it's time for the first lamination step. On a lightly floured surface, roll your chilled dough into a rectangle large enough to enclose the butter block. Place the butter in the center. Fold the dough over to completely seal it. Gently roll this package into a rectangle approximately 60 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. Perform a single turn by folding 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the remaining third over that. Chill for 30 minutes. After chilling, repeat the rolling and folding for your second turn. Roll the dough again to 60 by 20 centimeters, then fold it into thirds. This creates more layers of butter and dough. Chill the dough for another 30 minutes. Finally, perform the third and last turn, following the same rolling and folding technique. This meticulous process is crucial for achieving those beautiful, flaky layers that define a perfect croissant. For shaping, roll the dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Cut out triangles with an 8 centimeter base and 25 centimeter length. Gently stretch each triangle, then roll it tightly from the base towards the point. Place them on a baking sheet, leaving ample space. Proof the croissants in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours until puffy. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.